Hey Lou, I'm Max. This is your video that I promised from the Facebook group. Thanks for reaching out. So we're just going to jump right into it, and I'm going to show you how you can create a website and utilize that to start bringing in more business. And I just want to say I like your Facebook page here. Really like how it has this Book Now button. These Facebook pages really are underestimated. They show up in Google too, and can really bring you in a lot of good leads. But yeah, let's jump right in. So basically, you're a painter in Chicago, and Painter Chicago is what I typed in because I use this tool called Ahrefs, and it shows me that there's 2,000 searches a month. Every month you get 2,000 people searching for a painter in Chicago, which is quite a bit. And as you can tell, obviously, if you organically ranked in like this #1 spot here, or if you were able to get your GMB and this Google Map Pack, you would get like 50 to 65% of that, and that's quite a bit of business coming in your door. So I'm going to show you the three main ways to get to that #1 spot. So if you had a website, I'm going to use one of your competitors' websites for the time being, just as an example. Excuse me. So the three main things is content on your homepage. That's so weird. They have that noise. I'm going to use a different website. It had like a theme song. Okay. Content on your homepage and backlinks and citations. And so we'll go through each of those. So the content on your homepage, if I copied everything here on this guy's homepage, which it seems like he has quite a bit, maybe even too much, and it's kind of ugly. But Google wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your website homepage. And in that content, they want these select keywords so that you become relevant to the search term. So this guy had 5,207 words, but that's not very good. I can just tell by the way his website is. It's not strategically in there, and this is definitely not a mobile-friendly site, so he's probably not bringing in as many leads as he could. But he does have the content, so I'm sure that if you got 2,000 words in there and it was quality words with these select keywords, then you'd start to rank over this gentleman. The next thing that we're going to talk about is backlinks. Basically what a backlink is one website linking to yours, passing power and relevance. And so if this will load, I can pull you together and throw him into Ahrefs, and we can look at the back end of his website. So he has quite a bit of power coming in, or trust flow, which means he probably has some pretty decent backlinks coming in. However, on here, obviously it says no backlinks. So his website is, it's up there because Google trusts it. Probably he's been around for quite a while. So that's, yeah. But you'd be able to put some good backlinks in there from like another painting company, and then your site would bump right up there. The third and final thing really is citations. And what a citation is your business name, business address, and business phone number placed on various directories throughout the web. And then that makes this Google My Business page come up a lot more here because you're verified with your name, your address, and your phone number. And it just makes you a lot more relevant and trusted in Google's eyes as well as the consumer's eyes. So that's all I have for you today. I hope that this was informative and helpful. I will reach back out to you tomorrow just to kind of get some feedback from you about this video and see if it helped. So I appreciate your time.